Northeast Frontier Railway, NFR, has taken comprehensive steps to ensure safe train operations during the upcoming foggy and harsh weather season. Following Railway Board guidelines, locomotives are being fitted with fog-safe devices to help local pilots detect signals and markers in low visibility. Automatic signaling systems are also being upgraded as per newly revised safety standards. The zone has reinforced infrastructure by maintaining adequate stock of detonators, applying lime marking on key track locations, repainting signal boards and level crossing gates with luminous strips, and installing LED flasher tail lamps on rear coaches. Retroreflective stop boards and other visibility aids are also being verified across fog-affected sections. Operational planning includes streamlined train movement to minimize congestion, special fog operation training and refresher courses for local pilots. Assistant local pilots, guards, and station masters are being conducted at training centers. Visibility test objects, VTOs, are also being installed and checked at stations to assess fog density and initiate safety protocols. NFR assures passengers that all technical and operational safeguards are in place for secure and reliable fog season travel.